Suspicious travelers, what are you doing in Mondstadt?
He got separated from his sister during a really long journey. Paimon is his travel buddy, helping him to find his sister.
Oh, looking for your family? Huh. Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
What exactly is it you need to finish doing first? A hilichurl.
Quick, get it! These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp. Nothing to it. Though I've got to say, you surprised me a little with thanks for the backup. How'd it feel?
Now that you these
Exactly. But because the dragon, Storm Terror, has been around a lot more recently, when the storms hit, we usually end up with at least...
so the
Exactly. Come with me.